Hey Brett, how you doing? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing, and wanted to get this video over to you. Um, and this will be kind of a different one for me, simply because in searching for roofing, roofers, roofing contractors, Colorado Springs, you guys got it wrapped up, man. Your marketers, these guys that you have right here, the Rebel Interactive Group. They're rocking it for you, brother. So I wanted to let you know about that. So that's why it's going to be a little different on this one, is because I am going to show you your competition and show you a tool that kind of shows you, instead of what I would normally do is how to beat your competition, I'm going to show you how you're outranking your competition, and actually one other crucial thing that you can do to increase phone calls and traffic. So let's get started here. So again, I just went in, roofing, Colorado Springs. The first thing I wanted to point out is, I know you guys are familiar with this is the map pack. This is the 3-pack up here. So this is one area. Rampart is always in there. This is one area where we could help you here locally, is to increase the visibility of your GMB, get everything optimized and up to snuff. And there's a bunch of stuff I've already looked at that we could do there. But getting you in this top 3 of the map pack is as good, if not better, than being in the #1 position with where you are right here in the organic search in Google. So I thought I would mention that to you. But in this search here, this is the purest search, actually, roofing, Colorado Springs. So you guys are in the #1 position, as I mentioned, for roofing, roofers, and roofing contractors, Colorado Springs. The competition is Klaus, Premier, and Peak. I know you guys are well aware of that. So they're chasing you. But I thought I'd share with you one thing on your site that you could do, would be, sorry, right here, is to maybe throw a little more content on here. Google actually loves to see 1,500 words or more of content on the pages, and they also count the tags and the labels for pictures. So if I do a save image as here, so again, your guys are doing a good job. You got roofing services here. So these are going to match. This one should probably say commercial roofing. So see, again, you guys have everything labeled properly. It's one of the reasons this homepage is pretty powerful, with only about 500 words. So looking at Ahrefs, this is a tool that we use that kind of, gives you the backdoor view of what's going on with your website. So you guys are rocking it. UR is basically the popularity of your website, DR being the power of your website. These are both good numbers. And 1,200 backlinks, qualifying you for 417 keywords coming from 140 referring domains. To compare that with your competition, here's Klaus Roofing right underneath you there in the search, 36 on the UR, so they're pretty popular. But look at the strength of their website just plummets with just 443 backlinks, 128 keywords. Premier, 19 and 31 on the URDR, 273 backlinks for only 65 keywords. And then actually Best Roofing, not too bad. They've got good popularity, but you can see this very strange contrast. This DR is the strength of their website. The reason it's so low is a bunch of spammy backlinks in here. If I'm seeing 3,700 backlinks with only 264 keywords and their domain rating is so low, we got a bunch of spammy backlinks in here. So that's why they're actually in the 3rd, 4th position, actually, in the Google organic search. But so that's just kind of a brief look at what's going on behind the scenes. Again, one thing to share with you here, if I do a search specifically for Total Roofing Colorado Springs, which is a direct search, obviously, your site's in the #1 position. You've got the Better Business Bureau, Yelp, Facebook, then another back page ranking here, Trusted Roofing Repair, Guild Quality. and then Colorado Roofing comes out. But what I wanted to share with you is this is your GMB, or your Google My Business account and listing that you have. This is also your first and best citation. So citation on the internet is name, address, phone number, NAP, and how many times those three pieces of information appear across the internet. We always try to have a couple hundred for our clients. But this one in particular here, this is the account that we can help you with optimization and getting this to start ranking in the top 3 of the map pack there, as we discussed. The main thing that I see right off the bat is you're allowed 750 characters in the business description, and that can be keyword-rich content. One of the main drivers, along with properly tagged images, regular posts, activation of the website, internal website for the GMB, those kind of things. We pretty much have a 24-point system for that. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. Like I said, this is a little bit different for me, but it was really great looking into your business, how you guys are ranking, what you're doing to beat the competition. It's exactly what we would be doing too, if you are a client and you were in the 20th position. So let me know if you have any questions or anything that we can do to help here. Thanks.